Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Fi Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Today, we're working on this 2009 Ford Escape with the 3.0 liter. We just did a quick little diagnosis. It's not starting, no crank, nothing. So, ended up being the starter being bad. I'm gonna show you how to replace it. Remember, this is the 3.0 liter. A couple different engines. The starter's in different places. Now with the 3.0, we get pretty lucky. It's right here. The starter, it looks pretty accessible. I don't even think we need to move these hoses. I think we'll be able to get to the bolts. Get a shot at one right now. There you go. One right there is a 13 millimeter, and then we go on the other side right there. That's a 13 millimeter. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. Before I take off anything, I notice this bolt right here. You can see how it's rusted down there, right? That's one of the main bolts to take off. So we do not want that to break when we take it off. So we need to go ahead and get some PV blaster on it. All right, what we got? Let's go ahead and take this battery off here. It looks like we got, these are smaller bolts. Look like they're 8 millimeter. I'll take this negative off first. Right here, just loosen that up a little bit. There you go. Set that off to the side. Move here to the positive one. There we go, just like that. And slide it off. There we go, easy peasy. This stuff we'll worry about afterwards, but we want to go after that bolt right there. It's a 13 millimeter, so we'll see. Hang on there. All right, we got, let's see, a 6-inch extension, a 13 millimeter socket. See, let's see if we can bust this loose here. There we go. Let's go ahead. Take that all the way off here. Switch to our little electric ratchet here. Get that off. Oh, yeah, there we go. Now you get your magnet and you come in here. Get this over here. Take it out that way. And the other one is on this side. Let's see. Where's it at? Right there. So let's go ahead and get that one knocked out too. That's a 13 millimeter as well. You could take these hoses off to give you more space, but it's just really not necessary. We use the 6-inch extension again, and it's the 13 millimeter deep socket. It's on there. They're kind of at an angle, like as you can see how it's leaning, right? It's like this a little bit. Both of them do. Let's see if it'll bust loose now. Okay, there we go. Attach that ground wire back when we put the new one on. I think it's loose. We can get that out with the finger now. Reach down there like this and spin it out. You see, this one's coming out just the nut, looks like. So see, it's just that nut. It's got the ground wire, so pick the ground wire up. After you remove the ground strap, there is a 13 millimeter nut right there. So let's go ahead and get that loosened up now too. So we got our extension, our ratchet, 13 millimeter. Trying to get us another view so you can watch it. And let's see if we can break this loose. Oh, man, that was on there. But we did it. Yay for us. I can reach down there just with my hand and take it out. So let's do that now. Let's see. Here we go, just like that. Now we should be able to get this bad boy out. Let's see here. Yeah, pretty loose, my friend. We still got to do this front part, but I'm gonna see if I can get it out first. All right, there it is. Come on this way, please. Hey, come on now. All right. There we go. Now we can see what's going on with the front of this thing, huh? Things are rusted. Let me spray some PB blaster on them. And it looks like we need to take off this main bolt right here. It's connected to the power cable. Probably 13. What did I say, a 13 millimeter? I don't know if it's actually a 13 though. Yeah. Let's see here, come on. There we go. You might have to take them all off. Look, that's the whole thing there. They're all connected holding this block thing in. Well, what size is that? Is that 13 millimeter too? Sure is. I don't think that little one is. That little one looks like a 10. So there you go. There's that one. At least they made it easy being the same size, right? And this bottom one off right here. That's a 10 millimeter. There we go. Let's see if it comes off all of it. Yeah, looks like it. All right, yeah, we got it to come off right here, but yeah, this only held on 2 13 millimeter bolts. So then we got the starter out, and I think our diagnosis was right. We got all kinds of stuff. Look at this. Sheared off, look. See how it's supposed to be connected? Yeah, you can tell where it was sheared off. You can see it right there. The edges are here. Now we got to take a ride to AutoZone and pick one up. All right, what I'm showing you here is my commercial account at AutoZone. I'm gonna show you the difference between people just going in to buying it and what a commercial account is. We're working on the Ford Escape. You can see up top there, 2009 Ford Escape, right? We need to check for a starter. So I typed in starter, brings back 2 of them. This top one right here, Duralast Gold starter, right? This is a new one. The one at the bottom is remanufactured. You can see where it says in notes. So this top one, it says, see the list price, $202.60. That's the price that you would pay as a normal customer into AutoZone. As somebody with a commercial account, you can see the cost is $124, right? So say we're out here at the top, it says list total, quantity, core charge, taxes and fees, cost total. See where it says hide cost? We can hide the cost so you don't see it. I'm actually only paying $144. That's with the core charge and everything, right? If I push hide cost, it shows your price, so $222. So when I give you the receipt, you're gonna see that it says $222. And that's what you would pay me. And that's how we make money. So you're actually not paying any more than you would have if you'd have went by yourself. If you went by yourself, you would have paid $222, right? So that's what I'm charging you. So you don't lose any money there. That's why a lot of shops and dealerships and mobile mechanics won't let you bring your own parts, because they can make money right there. All right, let's go pick up the part now. You can see the difference here. This one is in there intact, right? You see this one doesn't move like that. This one's busted loose. All right, we're pulling back up here. Man, where they got me at? Always put me in these spots. I don't know, guys. You tell me. Are we safe? All right, here we are. We're back. Got the good starter here. Let's just go ahead and put this back on it so we know we can do it. So that's the front, right? So there it goes. That's how you put it on, just like that, right there. See that? And then you put them two on. Go, just like that, and push it on. Let's see, put this one on. There we go. Now we got the 10 millimeter here. There we go. Perfect. Have that one done. Switch to the 13. Do it again. Here we go. And then we put this one on like so. There we go. Easy, easy, easy. Where'd the 13 go? I just had it, didn't I? There we go. Now what we need to do is take it and get it to fit back down under there. So just go ahead and work your way. All you gotta do is lift it up and go underneath these hoses right here. There we go. Keep going, keep going. Perfect. Now we gotta take our two bolts here and we're gonna install them back how they was. One we hand tight right there. And this one is right there. Once the starter like seals on it, and you put it back in place, it almost automatically lines up with these holes. All right, so we're gonna tighten this one up. We're gonna tighten that one up, all right? And then we gotta put the negative cable on that one, and then we gotta put a nut over top of it and tighten it down. So let's just snug them down now. You guys better be thankful of my camera work here. This is very hard to get. This is gonna be the best starter replacement for the 3.0, the Fords. I've seen a lot of other videos, and really with the 3.0 being here, a lot of them had the starter down underneath in the front. All right, got them both tightened up, and now I just set the ground wire over it. Now we're gonna grab our nut, put it over it, and tighten that up as well. All right, gents, let's see, did we get it on there? All right, it's in there. It's in there nice and good. What we gotta do is throw these cables back on. Let's go ahead and throw the positive up here. Oh, actually, these are 8 millimeter. All right, we're back. There you go, nice and tight. Might have to jump this, it's been sitting a while. Let's see. Okay, there you go, nice and tight. Let's see, put that in there. It will probably need a jump, but it was doing nothing before. This would come on like this, and then you'd start it, and nothing would happen, okay? So let's see. You ready? All right, that's all you got to do to replace the starter in your 2009 Ford Escape with the 3.0 liter. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We are over 40,000 and we're going for 50,000. So it'll take a minute to get there, but please subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. If you do want something that costs you a few bucks, you can donate to the work van fund. We're trying to go after this work van. We got to get a few more bucks. So if I saved you $200 or $300 fixing a vehicle by following one of my videos, go ahead, throw your boy a tip. If not, though, I love you. And like we always say, Semper Fi, till next time.